You're flipping through a breathtaking page of Frank Netter's Atlas of Human Anatomy. Vibrant, hand-painted layers unwrap, the muscles of the neck intertwining with blood vessels like a city's tangled highways. You pause. How does every tiny part link into a flawless machine? This atlas promises to crack that code, but first, what makes these images so enduring, so vivid? Let's dive in and decode the art and science behind the human body's ultimate map. When you think medical atlases, dull diagrams probably spring to mind. Netter's work flips that script entirely. His illustrations don't just inform, they captivate. What's the secret sauce behind this marriage of art and science? Frank H. Netter wasn't just a physician. He was a master artist who sketched during patient rounds. His unique path, painting anatomy while practicing as a surgeon in the 50s, birthed illustrations that are scientific snapshots and artistic masterpieces. Each image is a story frozen, patients, lives, and human biology woven into color and pen. Imagine you're navigating a dark cave with only a flickering torch. Netter's colors are that torch, spotlighting muscles, nerves, arteries, each with distinct hues. Like a master chef adding spices, color guides your eye intuitively through complex anatomy, turning chaos into a map that anyone can follow. The payoff? You don't just memorize body parts, you visualize their dance. Medical students using Netter's atlas report fewer, foggy moments in surgery prep because vivid detail cements understanding. It's anatomy that sticks, not just facts, but a vivid, unforgettable mental movie. Now, it's not just pretty pictures. Netter brilliantly organizes the body's terrain, from head to toe, inside and out. But how does this atlas transform overwhelming complexity into navigable territory? Look at the atlas's layout. Sections like head and neck, thorax, abdomen methodically break down the enormous biological metropolis into districts you can master step by step. It's like a city map where you learn one borough's streets before tackling the next. Overwhelming becomes manageable. Cross-sectional views slice through flesh and bone, almost like MRI snapshots before MRI existed. They reveal hidden depths, like peeling back layers of an onion. Netter's knack for showing what you can't see in a glance changes the way students walk through the body internally, not just on the surface. And here's the clincher. Each image connects structure to function. For example, the atlas doesn't just show the diaphragm, it captures its sweeping curve, the tendinous center, highlighting how it anchors breathing. That link transforms dull anatomy into a living system, a machine that moves and breathes with you. It's been decades since 1997, but Netter's atlas isn't gathering dust. Why does this old-school masterpiece still rule medical shelves when screens and 3D apps take center stage? Unlike ever-shifting digital tools, Netter's hand-painted images are steady and timeless. They strip anatomy down to essentials without losing richness. This clarity means learners aren't overwhelmed by flashy effects, just pure, reliable depictions that speak directly to the brain's visual wiring. Netter's atlas achieves simplicity amidst maddening complexity by focusing on what matters most. Like a great novel that captures the essence of a character in a few pages, these images prioritize key forms and relationships. The complexity is balanced with clean, uncluttered design that invites exploration rather than confusion. The biggest surprise? Despite book and screen advances, Netter's atlas remains the gold standard because it's accessible. No power needed, no app glitches, just you and the page. This usability cements its place in libraries and minds worldwide, a classic bridge between art, science, and enduring learning. Remember that first page, the twisting neck muscles, the vibrant vessels. They're not just pretty pictures. They're the front door to a living, breathing map of you. Next time you hit confusion in a textbook or app, try Netter's method. Slow down, break things into clear, colorful parts, and see the body as a story, not a list. Try sketching a part yourself. Your brain will thank you. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.